Welcome, in front of me I have HUAWEI P40 and today I will show you how you can activate quick launch. I'm talking about this feature on the lock screen when you double press quickly volume down button. As you can see right now it's disabled, so to enable you have to go for the settings, tap on the search pool, type quick, go for the ultra snapshot and then choose one of the options, for example open the camera. So when you lock our screen, just take a look. And then double press volume down button quickly 2 times. The camera will be opened. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and of course subscribe to our channel.